girl Dimepiece back with another hair tutorial featuring RastAfri Braid. Going to be crocheting their Maui curl into my hair, and the color that I'm using today is 1B. There's so many different possibilities with the Maui curl. Of course, you can use it to interlock, crochet, tree braids, braid weaves, ponytails, pinup styles, single braids, and much, much more. So I'm super excited with this hairstyle because I want to recreate the beautiful Viola Davis current hairstyle. So she has these super cute curls that I'm going to recreate with, of course, the Maui 12-inch curl. So, I mean, just take a look. Isn't it hair goals? Yes, I agree. So, are you ready? Because I am. All right, let's go. Crocheting, it's super easy and it's super quick. It's perfect for the girl on the go. So grab your crochet needle. Make sure that the latch is open when you're pulling it through your braid. All right, so grab a section of the Maui curl and hook it onto the crochet needle. Once it's hooked onto the needle, close the latch. Now pull through the braid and loop the Maui curl. Repeat these steps throughout your hair to complete your style. And it's the protection for me. I love that this crochet style keeps my hair healthy and protected underneath. So we're just about halfway done. The style that I would like to achieve is similar to Viola Davis. She has somewhat of a parted bang. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna begin crocheting the Maui curl forward so I can create my own side and parted bang. So to let you know, I used about 2.5 packs of the 12-inch Maui curl in 1B. I may save the second bundle left in the third pack to fill it in later, or just save it for another hairstyle down the line. This is pretty much the body that I'd like for this particular style. Now I want to go ahead and grab my scissors and style my bangs to my desired style. So let's get the scissors in. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Hey! And now I'm all done. Make sure you visit your local beauty supply store and ask for the Maui curl in the 12-inch from RastAfri Braid. Be sure to check us out on social media, RastAfri Braid on Instagram and Fashion Source Wigs on Instagram at FS_wigs. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe below. I'll see you on the next video.